Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make marinara sauce from tomato paste. This easy guide will show you how to transform a humble can of tomato paste into a rich, flavorful marinara. We'll start by gathering just a few basic ingredients, like a 6-ounce can of tomato paste, some good olive oil, and fresh garlic. This method is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or when you're short on fresh tomatoes. Now, let's get cooking. Begin by heating about 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a saucepan over medium heat. Add 1/2 cup of finely diced onion and cook until it's soft and translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just about 1 minute until you can smell its wonderful aroma. Then, add the entire 6-ounce can of tomato paste, stirring it into the aromatics and cooking for 2 minutes to toast it slightly. Once the tomato paste is toasted, it's time to add the liquid. Slowly pour in 2 cups of water or vegetable broth, stirring constantly to combine everything smoothly. Now for the seasonings. Add 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a pinch of black pepper. If you like a little heat, a 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes is a great addition. Bring the sauce to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 15 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. After simmering, your marinara sauce is almost ready. Give it a taste and adjust the salt, pepper, or any other seasonings to your liking. A small pinch of sugar can balance acidity if needed. Finally, stir in about 2 tablespoons of fresh chopped basil right before serving. This adds a wonderful, fresh aroma. Serve your delicious, homemade marinara over your favorite pasta, with meatballs, or as a dipping sauce for breadsticks. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.